Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaale and I'm back with another video. So today in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a dark skin makeup routine. Like, this is my updated makeup routine, so if you are interested, you definitely want to keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get right into it. So guys, the first thing I want to do is to moisturize my face, and I'm going to be using my homemade makeup primer. I have a video, a DIY video on this primer, so I'll put up the link in the description box so you can watch and find out how I achieved this primer. So guys, I'm going ahead to apply the primer on my face, and after applying I'm going to allow it to dry down before applying foundation. So guys, I'm going ahead to use the Mary Kay foundation in the shade 607 and 708. I have been loving this mixture because this is the only way I get my perfect skin tone shade. You have to make sure the mixture is actually with the right consistency, or else you will either get a lighter foundation or a darker foundation. So I don't know, but I'm loving the way the foundation looks on my face. So I'm going ahead to apply it with the Zoeva buffer brush. I've been loving this set of brush like for a while now. I've been loving applying my foundation with a brush. So I'm going ahead to blend it all out with a damp beauty blender. So guys, I've been loving doing my brows after applying the foundation. Like, this is a routine I've been loving. Like guys, though sometimes I do my brows before applying foundation, why sometimes I apply foundation before doing my brows. Like, this is a weird routine I have been loving. Like guys, it always turns out so nice, it comes out so good. So I've been loving this routine. Like, after applying foundation I do my brows. So guys, I'm going for a soft eyebrow look. So that's what I'm actually trying to achieve. So guys, I'm going ahead to blend it all out with a damp beauty blender after achieving this soft eyebrow look. So guys, I'm going ahead to use the Pro Conceal to highlight my face. So guys, I've been loving the routine on how I apply my concealer. Like guys, I actually learned this routine from Laifa. Like, there was a certain time I was so obsessed with her makeup videos. Like, I watched how she applied her concealer and how she had control over the blending of the concealer and making use of less products. So I found myself adapting to that routine, and I have been loving it. Like guys, I have been loving it, the whole concealer vibe, and oh, I have been loving it. I have been loving this routine. Like, it gives you control on how to blend the concealer, and also you use less products. So guys, I'm going ahead to contour, and I'm going to be using the Mary Kay foundation in the shade bronze 708. So guys, to set the areas I highlighted, I'm going to be using the black opal finishing powder in the shade 02. And guys, have been loving the Zoeva face definer brush, and this is what I actually used to set the areas I highlighted. So guys, to set my entire face, I'm going to be using the luxury pressed powder to set my entire face. So guys, the next thing I want to do is to apply lipstick, and I'm going ahead to use the Davis brand pencil in the shade 003 to line my lips. So guys, I'm going ahead to apply a nude lipstick. Like guys, I've been loving this nude lipstick for a while now because I came to love the feeling it gives. It makes my makeup look simple, because I really do not like heavy makeup. So whenever I put on this lipstick, or rather wear this lipstick, it calms my makeup, and I so much love the feeling it gives. So guys, I'm going ahead to apply a clear lip gloss. Guys, look at that. Look at how the nude lipstick looks on me. Like, it's everything. It's giving me the feeling of everything a lady needs. You don't need too much drama on your lips. This is just what you need. Simple and good. So guys, like I said earlier, I love a simple look, so I'm going ahead to apply eyeshadow, like a pink shade of eyeshadow, just small, simple and good. Like guys, we don't need too much drama on her eyes, we just need to keep it simple and good at the same time. So guys, for some time now, I've been loving using a black pencil to line my eyes. Like, it's everything. I love the feeling it gives. I really do not like eyeliners, but have been loving this routine for a while now. So guys, if you have noticed on my channel, I don't do lashes. Like, not because I don't like it, but because I don't know how to apply it. So I just make do with my lashes, my real lashes, for crying out loud. So guys, I'm going ahead to make my eyes pop, and I have been loving this routine for a while now. Like, this is literally everything I do for my makeup. Like, there is no extra thing, simple and cool. This is literally everything I do when I'm going for an occasion, going to church, when I'm about filming. Like, this is literally everything that I do. So guys, and I am so loving it. So guys, the next thing I want to do is to apply blush, and I'm applying a red blush, and I'm using the Oyster Get lipstick palette. So guys, I'm going ahead to set my entire face with my homemade setting spray. So guys, this is literally it. This is the routine I follow to achieve a flawless dark skin look. Like guys, this is the complete look, and I'm so loving it guys. Like, baby, are you catching the vibe that I'm catching guys? So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, this is all for now. See you in my next one. Bye.